To be continued, you will need one of these I told you to gather earlier in part 1. And you put it right here. Like this. And then next, you'll put one right here. Right here, like this. But this part right here, when you add this extra one, you can do that last, or you can do that right now. If you do it right now, you have to do it with the other side. Now, you put a long one and a short one right here. And then you put one right here. And then next part, you put 4 of these right here. If it doesn't work, put 2, 3 extras. If it works with 3, you need to add 1 extra. No, we remove 1. Because if you use 3 and that's enough, then you have 1 piece too much. Transport. And then look, from right here, you may use a stopper. So if your train falls there and you don't want it to, then it just stops. And you can buy this on Amazon or get it at Goodwill. Mommy, I can use the lighter. See this? That's the new one. Decker. If you see the button on your train doesn't work, it's battery powered. And if it still doesn't work after that, then you have to change the switch. And then click the button. Oh. If your piece is broken, then you can put one of these. Actually, make it two. But it gives you a nice, lovely little slope.
No, I'll just look through it with my husband, and then I can let you know what you decide.
You actually have to add two more pieces. Unless you want a squiggly line. But I'll show you what you have to do with squiggly line.
Yeah, let's think about it. He's not home right now.
Lights!
What does that entail?
You're actually just doing the same thing you did on the other side.
Can I give you a call tomorrow once I make a decision?
Next,
because I should compare some.
You put this
first
right
before
here.
I settle down with my first.
See, now you have to do a squiggly line.
sounds perfect. So I'll let you know tomorrow what we decide.
But the squiggly line will take more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 5 right now.
You too.
Now look. Oh. Put one right here.
Welcome to USAA. Your call may be monitored or recorded for verification and quality assurance. To reach an extension, press the pound key. Otherwise, please enter your USAA or social.
Now look right here.
Please enter your PIN.
You put one piece here.